In this video, I am going to show you how to protect sales data in Apple numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. This is on sample Apple numbers document, and here there are a couple of tables and chart is there. For example, I want to protect this table data because if somebody by mistake modifying data, the chart or something will be changed. To protect this data, the best option is to lock the table or object. So to do this thing, at first we need to click in here of this object, and then we have to go arrange, and it will be expanded. After clicking arrange menu, and here if we scroll a little bit, we'll see lock. So we just need to click here so that the entire table will be locked. Entire table means this object will be locked. Now this data is protected. That means all cells of this object is protected, and that's it. In this way we can easily protect cells in a Apple numbers document.